So, okay. So, this one is the hyperextension. So, mainly, it focuses on our lower back and for glutes. Okay. So, paano siya i-perform? Okay. So, first, pasok kayo sa sport, go, tatapakan nyo siya, and then yung inyong calves is dito magre-rest sa ating support. Okay. And then, go. Straight kayo to upright position. And then, lagyan natin ng weights to intensify the workout. Okay? So, ang starting position is yung straight position, naka-chest out. Okay? And then, once na ipa-perform na natin, go down, slow down, and then up. Then, chest out. Okay? So, sa pag-up natin, kailangan natin is ma-meet natin yung upright position ng katawan. Okay. So, ito ang ating hyperextension. So, again, it focuses on our lower back and then secondary muscle natin is our glutes. Okay? So, again, adjustable bench to. Okay? So, if matangkad ka, pwede mong i-adjust and then taasan ang ating support. Okay? So, kailangan, ang support is nandito sa hips. Okay?